Hello everyone, today I'm here to answer the question, how do you think about illegal wildlife chase in Vietnam? In my opinion, illegal wildlife chase in Vietnam is a very serious problem and threatens many endangered animals. Vietnam is considered a hotspot for wildlife uh, trafficking in Southeast Asia. Many animals such as pangolins, elephant, tiger, and rare turtle are hunted for meat, medicine, or decoration. For example, the the pangolin is one of the most trafficked animals in the world. In recent years, hundreds of thousands of pangolins have been captured for their scale. In Vietnam, authorities have found shipments with hundreds of kilograms of pangolin scale for pork and border guests. In addition, ivory chest is also a big problem. Elephant is used to make jewelry, statues, and decoration. However, elephants are often killed for their tusks. The number of wild elephants in Vietnam has decreased swiftly and only a small population remains in the wild. Another example is tiger. Tigers are hunted for their bone, which are used in traditional medicine. Wild tigers in Vietnam have almost disappeared, and some are kept illegally for chase. Illegal wildlife chase not only reduce animal population but also harm ecosystem. When large predators like tiger disappear, prey animals may increase and damage forests or crops. Moreover, transporting wild animals in crowded and dusty conditions can risk disease to humans. Many rare turtles in Vietnam are also captured and sold as pets. Some native turtle species have uh, declined quickly and are at risk of extinction. To reduce this problem, laws should be stronger and punishment should be stricter. People also need to understand that buying wildlife products like uh, ivory iris or pangolin scale harm animals. If people stop buying these products, illegal trade will decrease. Protecting forests, controlling border, and supporting conservation programs are also important to protect endangered animals in Vietnam.